Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a special episode of Clear Talk English. I am your host, Sarah.
And I am Mark. Hello, everyone.
Mark, today is a special day. We have a deep dive episode. That means we are not in a hurry. We can really talk and practice.
That sounds perfect, Sarah. I love long conversations. We can speak slowly, we can relax.
Exactly. No rushing today. So, Mark, let's start with the most important question for any conversation. How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. I'm feeling calm. I am happy to be here with you.
That is good to hear. How is the weather where you are?
Well, I am inside the studio, but outside it is raining. It is a gray day.
Oh, I love rainy days. It is cozy.
Really? I prefer the sun. How is your day going, Sarah? Are you busy?
My day is wonderful. I had a good breakfast, I walked my dog, and now I am here. It is a perfect day.
That sounds nice. Simple days are the best days.
They really are. And before we start our deep conversation today, let's play our channel intro. We will be right back in a few seconds. Okay, we are back. Let's get started. Listeners, let's practice our first big word, where.
Mark, imagine we are at a party. I don't know you. I ask, where are you from? I answer, I am from Seattle.
Okay, Seattle. Now, for our listeners who don't know, where is Seattle?
Seattle is in the United States. It is in the top left corner of the map, near Canada.
Is it a big city?
Yes, it is quite big. There are many people, many cars, and many coffee shops.
Where do you live now? Do you still live in Seattle?
No, now I live here in New York.
Oh, New York. That is very different. Where do you prefer, Seattle or New York?
That is a hard question. I like the nature in Seattle, but I like the energy in New York.
And you listeners, where are you from? Are you from a big city or a small town? Think about it.
Sarah, I need to ask you, where are you from?
I am from Manchester in the UK.
Manchester, I know it. It's famous for football, right?
Yes, football and music. It's an industrial city, not very beautiful, but the people are friendly. Now, let's talk about people. The magic word is who.
Who is important in your life, Sarah?
My sister. Her name is Emily. She is my best friend.
That is sweet. Who is older, you or Emily?
I am older, but only by 2 years. She is a teacher.
A teacher? That is a hard job.
Yes. Mark, who do you live with? Do you live alone?
No, I don't live alone. I live with my wife, Jessica.
And who else? Do you have pets?
Yes, we have a cat.
Who takes care of the cat, you or Jessica?
Laughing. Jessica feeds the cat, but I play with the cat. I'm the fun dad.
I understand. Listeners, think about your house. Who lives with you? Mother, father, sister, friend, or maybe a cat? Okay, let's move to daily life. The question is, what do you do?
This means, what is your job? So Mark, what do you do? I work with computers. I am an IT consultant.
What exactly do you do? Do you fix computers?
Sometimes, mostly I talk to people about their software. I help them use programs.
When do you work?
I work from Monday to Friday, the standard week.
And what time do you start?
I start at 9 a.m.
That is a good time, not too early.
Yes, but Sarah, what do you do?
I am a podcaster and a graphic designer.
2 jobs. Wow. When do you find time to relax?
Good question. I relax in the evening. I stop working at 6 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I cook dinner, then I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I watch cartoons. They are funny and simple. I love cartoons.
Sarah, I have a question using how.
Go ahead.
How do you come to the studio? Do you drive?
No, I don't have a car. I take the subway, the metro.
Is it fast?
Yes, it is fast, but it's crowded. Too many people. How do you get here?
I walk.
You walk? How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes. It's good exercise.
That is healthy. Speaking of health, how often do you exercise?
I try to run 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
That is very good. I don't like running.
Why not?
It is too tiring. I prefer yoga. It is calm.
I understand. How does yoga make you feel?
It makes me feel strong and relaxed. We have a little more time. Let's dream. Mark, where do you want to go on vacation?
I want to go to Italy.
Oh, Italy. What do you want to do there?
I want to eat pizza, real Italian pizza, and pasta, and gelato.
So you want to eat.
Yes, food is important. Where do you want to go, Sarah?
I want to go to Japan.
Japan is amazing. When do you want to go?
Maybe next year, in the spring. I want to see the cherry blossoms, the pink flowers.
Who will you go with?
I will go alone. I like traveling alone. I can do what I want when I want.
That is brave. I prefer to travel with friends.
Wow, Mark, we talked about so many things today.
Yes, we used where, who, what, when, and how.
Let's review for our listeners.
Where are you from? Origin.
Who are you? Identity.
What do you do? Job.
When do you work? Time.
How are you? Feeling.
If you know these 5 words, you can have a great conversation.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to ask.
Thank you, Mark, for this deep conversation. It was a pleasure to talk so much with you.
Thank you, Sarah, and thank you to everyone listening. You did a great job today. This was a lot of English practice.
Yes, a lot of practice. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, where are you from?
See you next time.
Bye-bye.